In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore or underscore equal colons BSOD error. So first thing you gotta do is simply go to Windows here and type in device manager. So here what you're gonna do is update your graphics drivers. So here you'll see your drivers. Simply select your driver and right click update driver, browse my computer, let me check, and choose the most earliest version. So this is the one. Click next to update and this will load and update for you. Do the same to your other drivers. If you have other drivers, update and just follow the same steps. Next, and it will update. Now after this, go to Windows Update. So Windows Update. And here you want to check for updates by clicking check for updates. If there's any, make sure you update. After this, so if you're still having issues, go to search and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on this and click restart now and check for problems. So this will check your memory diagnostics and see if there's any errors. Just let it load, and once it's done, it will reboot your computer back to normal. So now if you're still having issues, go to search, type CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and then here you want to type in sfc /scan now. Press enter and let it scan through the system. After it's done, you can close this down. So now what you can do is go here and go type task manager. In here you'll see the startup apps, and I suggest disabling any unnecessary apps running in the background. Right click disable, and if there's any that is unnecessary, just disable them. Then you want to go here to processes, and here you will find some apps running in the background. And here what you're going to do is simply end the task of any software that you're not currently using. So this will free up some space and make it easy on the CPU. So after you do this, you can finally just restart your PC, and hopefully this fixes your issue.